Hi, friends. It's me again. I have a Temu haul, a little one. I tried doing it 2 times yesterday. Something kept happening. Geez, what a day was yesterday. And my little Maltipoo, she's not eating. I don't know what's wrong. I guess we're going to have to take her back or something. I can get her to eat maybe a half a teaspoon, and that's about it. Anyway, let's get back to the Temu haul. I've got a little bird, a hummingbird nest. Let's see. I paid, oh, I forgot. This one's discontinued. However, I did look and it looked like they had another uh, distributor, and it looks the same, but this one got squished in the shipping, but it'll still work. I'm going to hang it in my entryway. So I think other birds could fit in this. I like it. It's really, really cute, and it smells good. It smells like grass. Yeah, wheat, something. So there's that. Now this one I did pay. Oh, it fell. Excuse me. I did pay $2.77. So if you can find the other one, then you can compare the price. So isn't that cute? I just love it. It's so cute. If I can get it to not be so squished. Okay. What else do I have? Oh, these are tulip, artificial tulip. Um, except I paid $1.77. You get 10, and now it's $4.77. So they went up $3. Let me see. Take them out. Hang on. They feel really, oh wow, squishy. They come bunched up like this, and they look real. I'm going to put these outside. I have some planters in my entry, and I've been putting fake plants in there because they look so real, and I don't want to take care of them. When you get my age, you don't want to do things like that. So if it's kind of rubbery, I don't know what that is. Anyway, they do feel and look real. Let me show you. The inside has a little stamen on the inside. It's yellow. Oh, come on. It's yellowish. Anyway, I think you can see it from there. And two leaves on every one. I think they're cute, pretty. So that's going to go in my entry. Let's see. I have, oh, a blouse. It's a striped blouse. I paid $8.48, and now it's $8.47. So it went down a penny. Let's see. It's got almost 1/4 inch sleeves, and they tie. You can tighten it, however you want. Let me show you it. It does gather. See, it gathers up and you can tighten it as tight as you want. And it's got a round neck with some gathers here. It's kind of hard to show it with such a small screen. Okay. This one, and it does come in different colors. It comes in this, a green, a reddish, and I think a cream color. It's got buttons all the way down, and it has a little scoop in the back on the bottom. So I got a extra large. Hopefully I can lose a little bit of weight. I gain and I lose, and I gain and I lose. So I was on Weight Watchers one time, and my sister and we had lost all the weight. I was almost down to my amount, and then we quit. And I went right back up. I've always been skinny my whole life. And then, I don't know, you get a certain age and everything goes up, out, down, everywhere. So, anyway, there's that. Cute as a button. No pun intended. Let's see what else I have. Oh, here's another hummingbird. I paid $2.48 for it, and now it's $2.98. I saw this on Keely Joy's channel. She showed it, and I just thought it was so cute. It's a tiny little hummingbird nest, and it's all wood. It's got a little sitting, whatever they call that, a sitting post. You can't take the lid off. The lid doesn't come off, but we had a hummingbird come in our garage, and it was so hot. You know, garages can get really hot, and we're in the desert, so like today it's going to be 93. So it made a nest up on we had a bicycle up hanging off those hooks, and it made a nest right at the top. We tried to keep it cooler. We put a fan out there and we tried everything, but it was so hot and the babies died. And I was so sad. So I thought, well, I'm going to put this in our entry, which doesn't get any sun. So I think it'll be cool enough for them. I think they'll like it. Okay. Let me put that away. I'll have my husband hang it up. We do get winds, so I think I'm going to have him put a hook and hook it there off of this so it doesn't swing back and forth. You want to protect your birds. We get quite a few hummingbirds. Next is a pair of pants, and I paid $5.08, and now it's $5.07. And these pants don't feel like any of the pants I've gotten. They're leggings, and they are like velvety kind of. Not quite velvety, but similar to a velvet. They're very stretchy. I got an extra large. They're short. They're not all the way down. I think they go to probably a little below your knee. They've got a real nice waistband. They're made pretty good. They've got double stitching on the bottom and really nice. No pockets. I love the pockets though. I wish they had pockets. Okay, there's that. Let's see. Oh, I wanted to try these. You get 50? I don't remember. So many different size stencils to do your eyebrows. Me trying to do it, I shake because, well, first, I'm 75. Second, I fell and cracked my head open about 20 years ago. Really bad. 14 stitches in my head. And I've gotten tremors from that and probably my medication for depression. But you get all different sizes, shapes of these. They're stencils. Whoop, and you pop that out and you put it up to your forehead and you adjust it the way you want it. And they have small, tiny, big, all different arched, real arch. Let's see, straight. That one's straight. And I paid, let's see, I paid 89 cents and it's still 89 cents. So that gives you an easier way to put your eyebrows on. And I'm hoping it works. If not, when you get older, you don't want real dark, heavy eyebrows because it kind of makes you look older. So I just wanted to try them out. Okay, let me put this in here if I can. If I can't, forget it. It's in such a tiny little package. Okay, and last but not least, fingernails. Fingernails. Okay, there's that. These are like what do they call it? I don't know what they call it. It's pink. It's kind of like a French tip, but it's got a gold tip. And I paid $1.26. They are sold out, but I left a thing saying when they would get it back to notify me. So I'll let you know if they're back in stock. And we've got, these are kind of the same, but a little darker, and they have the gold tip on them. I don't know if you can see the gold that well. Maybe right there. They're really pretty. These I paid 88 cents and now they're 97 cents. And these are these. They're 3 or 4 different colors. And they come, I think it's a 96 to a set to the whole thing. What did I pay? Oh, I paid $2.08. Oh, 96, yeah. $2.08, and they're still $2.08. So I snuck in there and took some, but there they are like that. They're several different colors, and you can mix and match or keep them the same, whatever you feel like. 4 different colors. And they go on pretty quick. Nice. So anyway, this is the last of it. And I wanted to thank you for coming back. And I hope that you give me the thumbs up. And if you're new, please subscribe. And thank you for coming. New ones. I like the new ones. I like the older ones too. I like the ones that have been with us for a while. You guys are so sweet and so kind. You've helped me a lot, especially Tammy with hauling it with Mima. She's been so great. Okay, so I'll let you know about my little puppy. Her name is Holly. And I'll let you know if she's doing okay. And I'm hoping she's doing okay. She's sleeping right now. We had to give her a pain medicine. She won't eat. I'm thinking that maybe it's because her mouth is hurting really, really bad. They took a lot of teeth out and they you know how they clean them, they go real deep inside, and I'm sure she's in massive pain. So she's laying over there on the chair. She's so cute. She's really a sweet little girl. Okay, so I'll talk to you later. I've got some more Temus coming, and I'll see you later. Thank you so much. Bye. If I can stop this thing.